Did you know there's a viral flu and cough hack from 2022 that uses Vicks VapoRub in a way you'd never expect? When flu, persistent cough, and stubborn nasal congestion strike, finding quick relief is key. This particular remedy went viral for its simple yet highly unconventional approach to tackling those uncomfortable symptoms. This widely discussed method from 2022 suggests that for flu, cough, and stuffy nasal congestion, you apply Vicks VapoRub generously to the soles of your feet. Yes, your feet. Immediately after application, cover your feet with warm socks. Then ensure they stay cozy, ideally under a blanket or sheet. Many who tried this reported significant comfort and symptom relief, especially for cough and congestion, often feeling better by morning. It's a simple, non-invasive home remedy countless individuals found surprisingly effective during flu season. Tried this unique hack? Share your experience below. Like this video, save it for future reference, and follow for more trusted wellness and herbal remedies.